Hello everyone. The creating sale order from the product app is a convenient and efficient tool that simplifies the process of creating sales order directly from the product with a single click. User can easily select in multiple products from their listing, and also they can select in customer to create an sale order. Now let's see how it actually works. So for that we need to get into an inventory. Under products we can see in product variant. On the list view, user needs to select a multiple product variant by clicking on each and every product. Okay, by selecting a multiple products. After selecting multiple products, user needs to click on an action where you can see an option to create and sales order. On this wizard, user needs to select a customer to create and sales order. Now let's click on the create sales order option. Let's jump into an sales. User can see in sales order created for the product. Now let's get into that. User can see all the selected products are added into this sale order created. Now let's click on the confirmation option to confirm the order, and let's process the delivery, and let's create the invoice from here. In this way, we can make use of this module to simplify the process of creating sales order directly from the product with a single click. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and sales order related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated sales features and inventory features that we have.